Wait, what? You haven't upgraded to the Huawei Mate yet? It's the talk of the town, and you're about to find out why everyone is making the switch. Alright, guys, the smartphone world is buzzing, and it's all because of this, the Huawei Mate XT. I'm going to show you exactly why everyone is grabbing one and why you might be missing out big time if you don't. First of all, look at this sleek design. But that's not all. This foldable ultra clear display isn't just pretty, it's revolutionary. Imagine watching your favorite show or gaming on this bad boy. The Huawei Mate XT is more than just good looks. With its super fast processor, multitasking and gaming are smoother than ever. And did I mention the 5G speed? You will never miss a beat. Let's now talk about the camera. The beast has a triple lens setup with 108 MP. Imagine capturing pro-level photos and videos effortlessly. Everyone's already showing off their Insta-perfect shots, so why aren't you? Now here's where the FOMO really kicks in. There are some crazy deals going on right now for the Huawei Mate XT, but they are limited. People are already buying it out. If you want to level up your smartphone game, now is the time. Don't wait until it's too late. Trust me, once you experience the Huawei Mate XT, you won't look back. Smash that like button if you are ready to upgrade and hit subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest tech hype. Click on the link below to grab your Huawei Mate XT now before it's sold out. Also, let me know in the comments what features are you most excited about.